Most people think retiring early is only for the rich, but it is not. Retiring early is not about money. It is about what money gives you. There are 5 reasons you should retire as soon as you possibly can. Not 5 motivational reasons, 5 mathematical and biological ones. Each reason gets more powerful the longer you wait. That is the problem. I am not telling you to quit tomorrow. I am telling you to start today. Because every year you delay costs you more than just money, much more. By the end of this, you will see exactly why early retirement wins every time. Stay with me. The 5th reason alone will change how you see your whole career. Let us start with reason 1, the one nobody talks about enough.
Reason 1. Time you cannot earn back. Time is the only resource you cannot earn back. Money can be made, lost, and made again. Time only moves one direction. Every year you work past the point of financial freedom is a year surrendered. You are trading your most valuable asset for money you may not even need. At 65, the average person has 11 good, healthy years remaining. 11. At 55, they have 21. At 45, they have 31. See the math? You do not just get more years. You get more of the right kind of years. Reason 1 is simple. Every extra year of work is a year you cannot reclaim.
Reason 2. Work stress is destroying your health. Work stress is silently destroying your health from the inside. Chronic work stress raises cortisol. Sustained cortisol damages heart, brain, and immunity. A 30-year study found overworked people had 60% higher heart attack risk. You cannot save your health for retirement the way you save money. Cannot. Every extra year of high-stress work is spending health you needed for later. Most people retire with enough money, but not enough health to enjoy it. The goal is not to retire with the most money. The goal is to retire well. Retiring earlier gives your body time to actually recover from decades of stress.
Reason 3. Your family needs you present. Your children and family need you now, not in 30 years. The years between your child turning 5 and 15 are gone in a blink. Working 55 hours a week during those years is a decision with consequences. No one on their deathbed wished they had spent more hours in the office. They wished for more school runs, more dinners, more ordinary, unremarkable days. Retiring earlier means being present for the years that actually matter most. Your parents are aging too. Time with them is also running out, quietly. Reason 3 is not sentimental. It is a resource allocation decision. Choose wisely. If this is making sense, please subscribe now. It costs nothing.
Reason 4. Every year of delay has a compounding cost. Compound interest works for money, but it also works against time. Every year you delay retirement compounds your losses, not just your gains. Retiring at 55 instead of 65 gives you 10 extra prime years, but it also means your money compounds for 10 fewer years before you draw. So the question becomes, is 10 years of compounding worth 10 years of your life? For most people earning at full capacity, the answer is almost always no, because after a certain net worth, your extra income produces almost no extra happiness. Research puts that number at roughly £100,000 of annual income. After that, you are working for numbers on a screen, not for your actual life. Reason 4 is this: your time has a compounding cost that your money cannot match. The longer you stay, the more expensive every extra day of delay becomes.
Reason 5. Identity, purpose, and building a real life. This is the one that changes everything. Identity and purpose. Most people do not retire early because they do not know who they are without work. Their identity is so fused with their job title that leaving feels like disappearing. Doctor, manager, director, these become who you are, not just what you do. But this is a trap. A comfortable, well-paid, socially acceptable trap. When you retire, you discover who you actually are beneath the job title. The people who retire early and thrive all have one thing in common. Purpose, not work, not income. A reason to get up in the morning that they chose. Hobbies, passion projects, mentoring, community, travel, building something new. These things require time, real, unstructured free time that employment never gives. Early retirement does not mean doing nothing. It means choosing what you do. Studies show early retirees with purpose live significantly longer than those without. The job was never the purpose. The job funded the time to find the purpose. Reason 5 is the deepest one. It is about building a life, not just an exit.
How to actually do it. Now, the question is not why. You know why. The question is how. Step 1, calculate your actual number. Not a vague wish, a specific number. Take your annual expenses, multiply by 25. That is your target number. If you spend $20,000 a year, your number is 500,000 pounds. If you spend $30,000 a year, your number is 750,000. Step 2, invest consistently in a low-cost index fund inside a tax-advantaged account. ISA in the UK, Roth IRA in the US. Open one, automate the contribution. Step 3, reduce spending where it does not improve your actual life quality. Not misery, intentional spending. Spending on what actually makes your life richer. Each pound you do not spend today is a pound that compounds toward your exit. 5 reasons. Every one of them real. Every one of them costing you right now. Reason 1. Time is the only thing you cannot earn back. Not even close. Reason 2. Work stress is destroying your health quietly and consistently every day. Reason 3. Your family needs you present now, not eventually, right now. Reason 4. Every extra year of delay has a compounding cost you will never recover. Reason 5. You have a life to build, a real one, not just a career to finish. You do not need to retire tomorrow. You need to start the plan today. Now. Work out your number. Open the account. Automate the saving. That is all. Subscribe for the next video. I will show you exactly how to build the plan. You watch to the end, you already think differently than most people do.